kids never try that at home. Some of this stuff is really stupid. Or you're gonna die.
Hey, Micah. Micah, come over here. I got something I need to show you.
What is it?
It's this thing right
Over where?
Oh, crap. That's a bad case of...
Yeah, I don't know how to get rid of them.
I'll show you. Come inside. I'll get rid of your hiccups. This will calm you down and get rid of your hiccups. The instant replay of the exact same thing. Here's the retake.
Hiccups go away. Hiccups go away. Hiccups go away. Hiccups go away. Hiccups go away.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember this. This will get rid of your hiccups. Oh, frick. Oh, yeah, use this. That was my vape pen. How are your hiccups now?
I think they're kind of
That's why you don't do drugs, kid.
Hey, like that video? Subscribe.
Hey, you like that video? Subscribe to Squibber. Yeah. Have a Squibber today. The end. Behind the scenes. Hey, everyone, you're back again. I see that. Okay. Have a Squibber today, and this is the end.
For real.